Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and on this example I will show you how to change the radio settings in Suzuki infotainment system. So basically we will go through all settings adjustments that you can make in your Suzuki car when it comes to the radio. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this standard home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Let's choose here settings, this gear icon, and under settings we've got here a few things that we can change. So one of them is the music icon right here from the left side. Let's go to this music section. If we tap it, we've got here access to radio settings. Let's just choose it. Alright, and here we are in the place when we've got all settings about your radio. So let's go through the from the top of the list, and here we've got traffic announcement TA. We can enable this feature just by using this toggle. So when it's on, the radio will automatically switch to a traffic news station whenever an emergency or traffic bulletin is broadcast, even if you are listening to a CD or Spotify. So in my case, let me keep it on. We've got here also show a radio text, so display extra information sent by the station, such as the name of the song currently playing or the radio. What else? We've got here the alternative frequency AF. I really like this feature, a very useful one for long trips. If the signal of your current station gets weak, the car will automatically search for a better one and switch to a stronger frequency for the same station. We've got here also the regional program. We can enable this just by using this switcher on. And if national station splits into a local news, for example, different news for Krakow or Warsaw, in my case, this settings decides if the car should stay locked to a specific region. So it could be quite useful. If not, you can just simply press it off. We've got here also the RDS PTY category filter. So PTY stands for program type. This allows you to filter station by the genre, so only for example news, rock or classical. We've got now off, but I think it's quite useful. Let me keep it on. And here we've got all category filters. It could be news, talk, sports, popular or classical. We've got here also show the DAB extra information. So digital radio can send images like album covers or weather updates. Uh, Let me keep it on. We've got here also the DAB FM link. So if you are listening to a digital radio station and the signal drops out, for example in a tunnel, the car will instantly switch to FM version of the same station, so the music doesn't stop. We've got here also the AB and the AB link. So if the specific digital transmitter you are using becomes weak, the car will look for another digital transmitter broadcasting the same station ensemble. And the last one is the BPTY category filter. It's the same as RDS filter, but especially for your digital station. So let me also keep it on. And here also you've got news, talk, sports, popular or classical. Let's go back. Alright, that's it when it comes to the radio settings. You can check out if you have the same radio settings in your Suzuki. As I said, this is Suzuki S-Cross from 2026, so you can check out if you have exactly the same menu and settings to adjust. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.